Assalamualaikum. Here with me today, Izza, Eireena, Iskandar. So, in this video, we will presenting our group project assignment called ASM652 entitled Business Process Improvement of Stall Annie. We are a student of BA 232 Class 4C. Without further ado, my team project and I will be introducing ourselves. First of all, I am Izza Eireena Iskandar and my student ID is 2020923285.
Hi, my name is Marvin Ngau and my student ID is 2020142167.
Hi, my name is Anisa binti Isa and my student ID is 2020711499.
Hi, my name is Cyllelia Bayu Anak Kenneth. My student ID is 2020161165.
Background of the company. Stall Annie is a well-known stall in Sarawak. It is well known in Kuching region for its famous laksa, and they also serve a variety of Sarawakian cuisine. Rohani binti Idris is a proprietor. She is a pure Sarawakian. The address is at Jalan Tanjung Selatan, Kampung Patingan, Kuching, Sarawak. Regarding on menu and food, it is also matched the taste of Sarawak traditional food. Furthermore, the customer can make a payment via the QR code such as Sarawak Pay, which is a faster way of payment than other methods. The internal customer of the stall Annie is the owner itself, Madam Rohani, laksa fans, friend, and her family, Manuel. The external customer is their supplier, Jinko Enterprise, and the customer working person and families. The core process in stall Annie are reservation, handling, cleaning procedures, kitchen procedures, and serving process. In this report, we are focusing on reservation handling that is handled by the manager of stall Annie.
Now I will explain about the process that need to be improved in this stall. Stall Annie is a stall that offers Malay and halal food. For any customer who wants to make a reservation, they must physically go to the stall to make a reservation or by call. The information that will be taken is email address, name, phone number, and number of bags. The process that need to be improved is how to make a reservation manually, and it is exchanged using e-reservation, where it facilitates the business of customer who wants to make a reservation online using electronic devices. Because for now, Stall Annie only offer a manual reservation service, where customer must go to the stall or make a call for reservation. Stall Annie also want to improve the e-reservation process so that it will not take longer time and customer will be able to make choice on menu without rushing.
Next is the description of the process, which is the reservation process. The reservation procedure has several steps. To begin, we must make a phone call or go directly to the stall to make a reservation. Second, after the phone is answered or we have been arrived at the stall, we must explain why are we calling or inform the owner that we want to make a reservation, including the reservation date, day, and number of individuals who will be there. The third step is to ask for another available date, time, and table space if the reservation on the chosen date is not available, or to cancel the reservation. The following step is to provide information about ourselves, such as our email, name, phone number, number of people, and so on. If the answer is yes and the day we select is available, the next step is to choose a menu, which we may do either when we arrive or before we arrive. Before our arrival, we must confirm with the person who will be dealing with us that all the meals we have chosen are right. Finally, we must confirm the reservation with the person dealing with us on the scheduled day.
Here I will explain about the current situation analysis. There are several problem process that experience based on the current process that is employed for reservation in Stall Annie. Stall any problem is that it will take more time and be rushed since we need to choose a date and reschedule if the date we choose is not available. Even the menu choosing procedure will take a longer process since customer will have to make a reservation over a phone without seeing an example of the selected menu. Stall any may request the customer phone number and email address to provide an example of the menu picture they offer. Customer will have more time to make a menu option if a sample menu is given up to them, and they will be able to contact Stall any once they have made their choice. This method will not only benefit the customer, but it will also save time for Stall any, allowing them to deal to other customers. Next, I will explain about the fishbone diagram. In this diagram, it shows the stall any process problem. On the top, it shows the customer were too rushed to make a reservation and there are no sample menu photo to choose from, making it difficult to make a choice. Next, it shows the process of reservation handling. It shows that it takes too much time and they will have to face another problem, which is they do not have time to serve other customers.
Without further ado, let me introduce you the name of the process. The name of the process is e-reservation. This is where we focus on the reservation process. Next is to be process. Before I proceed to the name of to be process, let me roughly introduce you the name and the responsibilities of each member in this project team. As we can see from the top, is the owner of the restaurant is Ruhani binti Idris. Next is their manager is Adina Diana binti Male. Their head chef is Ruhani binti Idris, and their sous chef is Fatima. Their beverages is Malik bin Pawi, and their server is Muhammad Amirul bin Malik. Here are the new flowchart of e-reservation. First, the customer need to contact Stall any via WhatsApp. Then, the customer will receive an automated text. In the text, there will be provide a Google form link for reservation. Then, the customer need to fill in all the details. After that, click on the next button after finish fill in all the details. And the customer have to choose the menu that are available. And lastly, click on the submit button. Then, the manager will receive the Google form that have all the details. Then, they will record and confirm the reservation order.
Benefits of to be processed. E-reservation or online booking can save the workers' time, whereas they don't have to type on their phone 24 hours. Other than that, it also helps generate sales and company marketing strategy of the business. Everything regarding the information, what the company offers and have will be appeared on the link given. For example, Stall any use Google Form. By that, customer will satisfied with the fastest services. Besides, it also help increase the insight of businesses. For example, Google Form help to keep track of reservation and detail customer. Thus, the company will have better understanding about their guests. This is our conclusion. We will be mentioning about Stall any's qualitative and also quantitative. Qualitative. As we knew, laksa is their signature dish. Stall any is using premium ingredient in making of the laksa. Besides, they serve freshly kuah laksa every day. This is the reason why their dish remain delicious as always, while quantitative would be about their feedback. Stall any seek feedback from customer through social media such as Facebook. Customer will leave a comment and number of like shows that Stall any provide good product. The next one is factors critical to the success of the project. There are plenty factors can be found. The first one is teamwork. Having teamwork in a management, work will run smoothly because it requires long-term commitment to achieve successful business. Thus, it is very important to have teamwork. Other than that, partnership. In this case, this point means the upper level, such as manager, should have trust to the staff. For example, manager is giving full trust to its staff to handle the project. Last but not least, what are problems the company face when implementing the process? Roughly, the company will find trouble to adapt with new process, which is their reservation method. Basically, they will not be able to familiar with it on the first hand.